Hey everyone, in this video I'll take you through a beginner's guide to artlist.io. In order to do so, first off you're going to go to artlist.io, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. From here, if you want to go through the music that has been made on this platform, then you can go through and you can actually download the music. However, there are certain limitations to be aware of. Now, as far as the music goes, you shouldn't have any problem with downloading anything. You can download the music in either MP3 or WAV. However, if you try to download anything under the footage tab, then you are going to find that that is hidden behind a subscription wall. So there are certain things here that you can take advantage of. However, there are other things that you are going to need to have the subscription for. We'll just go ahead and go step by step here with the different options in the menu, just to give you an idea of everything that Artlist is capable of. In the music tab here, you'll find a variety of songs that have been created by other creators, and you can go through and you can download these, and you can see there are a variety to choose from. You have also some search functions here, so if you're looking for a specific instrument, a specific genre, specific mood, even a theme for the video. Also here you can see staff picks, top downloads, newest. All of these will allow you to narrow down your search depending on what it is that you're looking for. If you're looking to create your own music, then you are going to need to get a subscription for that. Let's just take a quick look at the subscription options. If you click where it says subscribe now, then you will see the different options that Artlist makes available. You have your standard and your business subscriptions, and here you can see that you have for $9.99 a month. You've got the music and SFX social subscription, and this includes music and sound effects, and also there are specific details as far as the licensing. Each of these subscription tiers comes with different capabilities, so you just want to make sure that as you're going through them that you take a good look and make sure that you're selecting the right one for your needs. There's the Music and SFX Pro, AI voiceover, footage and templates, and the Artlist Max. So go through these and you can see what each plan consists of and what you're going to be getting with that. So just make sure you do your research before you choose a subscription. We'll go ahead and go back to the main page and we'll just continue through the options just to give you an idea of what Artlist is capable of. We'll check the footage tab, and from here you can see that there are a variety of video generations that have been created. These you cannot download. You do need a subscription in order to have access to this, and also if you want to create your own, then the same thing goes. You are going to need a subscription. However, just by looking through here, you can see what Artlist is capable of, and so that will give you an idea of what you can achieve with your own generations. Some pretty neat stuff here, and it does seem that the quality is pretty consistent. As we know with video generation, sometimes it can be iffy, so just be aware. That's always the case with video generators. You're sometimes not going to get the generation you want, and you are going to need to repeat the generation sometimes. This is where it's a good idea to do some research on prompts and make sure that you're getting the most specific prompts possible, so that way you're not getting generations that you don't desire. We'll go ahead and go down to sound effects here, and what you can see with Artlist is a variety of sound effects that you can take advantage of. Again, you have your search functions here, so you can look through those, and if there is something here that you want to use, you can either use what other creators have made, or you can generate your own, but it is again behind a subscription, so you are going to just need to be aware of that. There's some interesting stuff here. I'm not going to click on any of these on the off chance that there is any copyright violation, so you can come to Artlist and just kind of search through the music, search through the sound effects, and look to see for what it is that might be good for you. We'll take a look at the voiceover tab now. And with the voiceover tab, if you are on the free subscription, then you do have 400 credits that you can use, and each credit is a character. So essentially it's 400 characters that you can use, and you can play around with that, get an idea of what that's capable of. I have done my own voiceover just to give you an idea of what this is capable of, and we'll just hit play there.
Listen to Lecturloom Radio.
So you could see there that in this instance, it did not pick up AI very well. So with something like that, you are going to need to separate it, make sure that it's A space I space radio, something like that. But just gives you an idea of what you might encounter if you are doing generations for the voiceovers. Sometimes you do have to be aware that it might take what you're putting in a little bit too literally, so you have to be somewhat aware of that when you're doing your generations. Next, we'll take a look at the templates. And here you can see a variety of templates that have been created. And this will give you an idea of what Artlist offers as far as templates go, and if there's anything here that is going to be good for your project and what you're trying to achieve, then you can use the templates that are offered here. And it seems here that this was created with Adobe After Effects, so I'm not sure exactly if that was created here within Artlist or if that was imported from After Effects. That seems to be maybe the case, but you can go through here, and if there is any template that really stands out to you as something that you want to use for your project, then you have those options to explore. Next, we'll go down to LUTs, and if you are unfamiliar with what an LUT is, it is a lookup table, and this is essentially color grading, where instead of having to go through and specify the color grading yourself, you can go through and other people have created these for you, and so you can select one that is appropriate for your project. Just going through here, you can see what the different offerings are, and you can get some pretty neat effects with the various LUTs that are here. Finally, we'll look at the plugins here. And with the plugins, you can have access to 50 plus pro video plugins compatible with all leading software. You can add visual effects, color grade, and more. This is something that is also available with the subscription. So do your research, see if Artlist is the right platform for you. If it gives you everything that you're looking for, then there are a lot of really neat options here for you to explore. You are going to need to make sure that it is the right thing that you're looking for. You can see here that these plugins are designed to work with all of the major editors that are out there: Premiere, After Effects, Final Cut, DaVinci. And so you can go through here and explore what this has available. That's pretty much all there is to it. There's a few more options around here to take a look at. You've got your favorites, you've got your downloads, you've got the spotlight page, and also let's just take a quick look at artboards. So describe your project to get tailored content suggestions. Okay, so here is something that if you want to use, create an artboard, and this is basically just letting Artlist know this is the project that I'm working on. Do you have any suggestions for me for my project? Then you can go through that and you can basically get some suggestions, and Artlist will generate that for you. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.